Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Model numbers, voltage, and radio frequency so the receiver and remote can talk reliably. Once done, shut the breaker and use a multimeter to verify 0 volts at the switch box. This prevents shocks. Next, strip and label the hot, neutral, and ground conductors so you don't cross them later. Make sure to mount the receiver near the load for short runs and use 1822 AWG cables. This reduces voltage drop and interference. Now continue by wiring the receiver. Attach line to the receiver's live terminal and the switched output to your load. Tie receiver neutral into the neutral bundle. Once connected, secure the antenna or set jumpers to optimize radio range because antenna orientation changes reliability. Make sure to tighten terminals to manufacturer torque specs. Power on briefly to enter pairing mode and press the remote button. Observe the LED pairing codes. Finally, verify remote range at several distances. Finish by neatly coiling excess wire and tucking the receiver into the box without pinching insulation. Then install the cover and restore breaker power. You will test basic functions: single on/off, dim levels, and any timers or macros to confirm behavior under load. If something fails, try a receiver reset procedure and fresh remote batteries first, because most issues are simple. Also make sure to check for RF noise from fluorescent drivers or Wi-Fi routers. Moving the receiver or antenna often resolves interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.